Hello guys, my name is Sonam Prajapati and you are watching guys tutorial now. So friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Kinemaster without any watermark. So it's a very simple tutorial for you. You cannot see any watermark. I will teach you very easily friends. So friends, what you need to do? First open your Chrome browser, okay? And after this type here AC Market APK. After this click on the second link. So now I take you on the screen of my Chrome browser. So there I will show you every details, okay? So guys, first of all go to your Chrome browser and you can download this app from your Play Store. And now just click on the second link friends, and you can see here is the app I show you. You can click download now, and in just few seconds the app would download and just install the app. So I have installed app and this is the app, and you can download here apps without watermark. And here is ad showing, I just skip, okay. Now I type here Kinemaster. I typed here Kinemaster, okay. So here is showing apps. You can see the app is showing. It's saying it is installed and you have to reinstall the old version with watermark. So I reinstall my old Kinemaster, okay. So if I will download new Kinemaster from the AC Market APK, so okay, I show you guys now downloading. So I just click on the download and okay, I just click on the okay, and app says downloading, I think. Yeah, now Kinemaster is downloading. So guys, the Kinemaster is now installed. Now I go to my file, I search here file, and after this guys I just click on the downloads, and guys here is showing Kinemaster. I just click on the Kinemaster and continue, and I install this app. Okay, now app is installed guys. Let's check on my apps store. So guys, I just search here yeah guys, look at this, here is showing Kinemaster. So guys, just click on the allow, and guys I just click on the same process I do. So guys, you can see no watermark showing in my screen. So that's working very well and I love this. Friends, if you have any problem or questions, comment below, like this video and make sure subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. It's a very helpful video for you guys because it's all video for you guys. So please subscribe and support me guys, and I'll see you soon with a new video guys. Till now, bye.